Hi, my name is Advait. I am a student studying at Amity University. My experience at Amity was really amazing as it gave me international exposure to meet new people and students from different countries. As a part of my research work, I also wrote a research on revisualizing fashion and I visited places like Global Village and Al Sheikh or Gold Souk, which gave me more knowledge about the local youth. And as far as my paper explores, it contains that we can really sustain the tradition and heritage, but also inherit the futuristic things in it.
My name is Muhammad Atif, Manager Student Services. My role in the program is to liaison with the home campus for timely generation of the visas and make sure there's safety and travel arrangements to them. Throughout the stay at Amity University, any student concern is resolved by Student Services, and our aim is to give them an excellent overall experience. At Student Services, we always keep students at highest priority. Program are always a special galaxy of students.
Hi, my name is Pratyush and I'm a student pursuing Bachelor's of Journalism and Mass Communication. My experience at Amity has been quite amazing as it has given me a global exposure which will help me succeed in life. I'm doing a research paper on luxury car markets and my guide has been very supportive throughout my work. I have visited various places for shoot as well. Also, my experience at hostel has been quite good and our student managers has helped us settle in and made us feel comfortable.
My office is responsible to ensure that our students get a comfortable stay and they feel like home away from home. We ensure that all the en-suite student rooms are furnished and have amenities like set of linen, refrigerator, pantry area, etc. in the room. Besides providing a comfortable stay, we also ensure that the students are actively utilizing the available sports and the recreational facilities available.
I am here for my program and I highly recommend junior students to opt for it because here I got a different exposure, and also I am working on my project livestock prediction using machine learning under the guidance of Dr. Senthil Villain. He is very nice to me and also I would highly recommend students to go for it.
My role for SAP students is to pick them up from the airport, ensure their safety aspects in the country, and to apprise them of the health and safety protocols and disciplinary norms.
Hello everyone, I am Purna Joshi and I am a student of Bachelor's of Journalism and Mass Communication. I am from Amity Noida campus and I would recommend everyone to go for this program because it has given me so much of international exposure. I'm so glad to be here. All the people, all the staff, all the people in the hostel have been so friendly, have been so helpful. Currently, I am pursuing a research paper under the able guidance of Ma'am, and she has been so supportive.
At CRC Amity University, we take special care of students and connect them to the industry experts. We arrange guest talks, opportunities for shadowing the CEO. We ensure maximum exposure towards excellent professional growth.
Hello, I am Snehal Gaikar, a student of Fashion Design, 3C Amity University, Mumbai. I had a great experience and joined a lot of international students to celebrate Eid at the campus. For my industry report and research, I have extremely helping mentor here, Ms. Neelam. For our guidance, Ms. Neelam has shared a lot of good things to me. She has also helped me in the areas where I feel I was lacking.
We've been hosting Semester Abroad program since 2012. We are in charge of scheduling their classes and other activities. We ensure that they complete their academic